Good morning, Ninja. This morning I'm at Fryingpan River, nearby Basalt in state of Colorado. Fryingpan River is one of my favorite rivers. My buddy US just got a fish. Yay! Today I brought this rod. It's called NINJA Keiryu 44. Means 4.4 meter long. By feet, about 14 feet. This 14 feet Keiryu rod would be perfect for the size of this river. So I named this NINJA Keiryu rod 44 as Frying Pan. See what I can do. It's a beautiful morning. Wes got a couple of fish already before I started. So it should be a beautiful day fishing. This NINJA Keiryu 44 has range change system. You can change it as 4.4 meter, 4 meter, and the shortest one is the 3.6 meter. Right now I'm fishing with the 3.6 meter. If I want to fish a little bit farther out, I can make this rod as so now it's a 3.6 meter to 4.4 meter long, a couple of feet longer. Got a nice brown. Frying Pan River brown trout. Yay! About 12-inch long. He ate the small size 22 red midge. Beautiful. Let me make this rod shorter so I have a little bit more line to play with it. Put the rod on the side. Double! My buddy just got a 1, 2. Thank you, Brown.